Now we will hear how to bring AI to your data. The upcoming presentation will focus on the innovative potential of GenAI for creating new products and services, while also addressing the security risks associated with its use. The speakers will outline how Google Cloud is dedicated to enabling companies to utilize GenAI securely and compliantly, ensuring it is grounded in real corporate data. I invite Vanja Melnik to join me. Vanja is Google Cloud Business Development Specialist for Adriatic region. Vanja, please welcome to the stage.
Dobro jutro, good morning. When I said yes to this speaking opportunity, I wasn't really expecting so many wonderful faces to be in this room. And to make things more stressful, our lovely marketing put those slides that are very interactive, so I have to think of clicking. So if I forget to click, please shout. We have some exciting news to share with you in Google Cloud's world today. But before that, I would love to introduce Devo Team Google Cloud to you. We are Google Cloud Premier Partner in Serbia in the last 3 years, and 13 years in the whole world. We have been Partner of the Year for four years, and this year we are especially proud of winning an award in specialization in machine learning. We have offices in 25 countries, and our local presence is in Novi Sad. So like any other cool IT company, we have really nice offices with cool fun games and really nice bars, so please come to visit us. By now we know that AI is transforming every industry, and Google Cloud's AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Google Cloud's mission is to make AI accessible to everyone so that businesses and organizations can use it to transform their businesses and also to create new opportunities. Google Cloud is building the world's most powerful AI infrastructure, developing new AI technologies that are changing the world. From self-driving cars to medical diagnostics, AI is making our lives better in the ways we never imagined. So one of the products that everyone talks about is Vertex AI, which is Google Cloud's machine learning toolbox. So why does everyone talk about that? Because it provides a set of tools and services to help you build, deploy, and manage machine learning models and AI applications. It can simplify the end-to-end machine learning lifecycle. And by that, I mean everything from data preparation and model development to deployment and monitoring. And you would probably think that's enough. I forgot to click. But what if I tell you that we have built one formalized way to automate all the boring processes of machine learning so that your engineers only have to worry about actually building the models? So, this is why we are here today. Our in-house team of experts at Devo Team G Cloud created our own Vertex AI Foundation Accelerator that truly sets us apart from other partners. What the main goal of our foundation is to speed up machine learning processes, reach return on investment significantly faster, and remain seamless to maintain. So what does Vertex AI Foundation Accelerator allows you is really to put ML in production in less than 2 weeks. So now I'm going to show you 2 timelines of ML projects with and without our accelerator. So this is the normal timeline for ML project, and we can see that we need 5 weeks to get into implementation stage. And with our framework, this is done in less than 2 weeks. So now I would like to invite you to go on our website, devoteam.com, and look for our success story, Fuga Vertex AI Foundations, to get some more technical insight on that. So why Devo Team G Cloud in relation to Vertex AI? Because we have been the partner of the year in specialization of machine learning for this year. We have the highest number of registered deals on GenAI AI in EMEA, 82 and counting, and we are supported by Google on all opportunities. So this was very brief. I survived, and I hope you saw I gave you some helpful overview. The decision to harness AI is entirely yours, but Devo Team G Cloud is here to support you on that journey. Now it's my pleasure to invite our very special guest from Google Cloud Data Analytics AI Specialist, Tomasz Czarnecki, who will dive deep into bringing Gen AI to your data. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanja, for this very nice introduction. Dobre jutro. Hello, good morning. I'm Tomasz. I came here from Google. I've been working for Google last 14 months, working in Poland. And I'm really happy to be here in Serbia. It's my first visit here in Serbia. And I had a really good networking just yesterday with this event. And we really want to be present here. I need to tell you, we want to start a lot of nice, interesting projects, especially with generative AI, with data analytics here in Serbia. We want to help companies in Serbia to be stronger. How to do this? My mission, I decided to show you, I want to show you overview of current status with Google Data Analytics AI part, with generative AI, which is quite difficult because the landscape is changing bi-weekly. Every 2 weeks, we are introducing something new. The piece of changes is, I've been at IT industry 22 years. 22 years, and I have never seen such a big change across the technology, across the business, across the companies. And how to leverage this generative AI? This is really tough question. It's not so easy for the business. I'm working with the companies from Ukraine, from Poland, from Serbia, from Romania, from Hungary, Georgia, Cyprus, a lot of companies, different companies. And all these companies, when they want to start generative AI, they want to start with Google because Google is the only provider who we have our own infrastructure, our own models, our own solutions, platform, so the whole stack. We are controlling this from the bottom to the up. We are controlling the source code. We are controlling the hardware. We know what's going on with all the elements of the whole platform. This is the power which we are bringing. Okay, let's go because I have around 20 slides. So it is a really challenging mission. With Google and generative AI, we started really much earlier, not this year, not last year, because large language models at Google, they are the engine for the Google Translate, which you know. They are an engine for Google Search for a long time. But we were not sharing this technology outside. Right now it changed. This year it changed. The year 2017, we presented as a first in the world transformer model. Yeah? So the whole idea started at Google. And going through the years, this year we presented also BART solution, which is for the consumers, only for consumers. You will not find BART at Google Cloud for the companies. We don't have this. This is only for consumers. 3,000 researchers is working on this at Google. Over 7,000 publications in this subject already. Why we are not giving BART to the companies? Because we developed the whole platform for the enterprises with the governance, security, with data protection. And what is more important, you can control also the models and the outcome from the models. if you look at the Google platform, in the heart of Google data, we have BigQuery. This is the most powerful Google product. Why? This is not only the data warehouse. This is also a data lake. This is a whole platform where you can store multi-format data. You can also connect your data with other data sources, also Azure, also AWS, also on-prem. And everything you are managing from one source. So you have a full governance with BigQuery. AI platform, which Vanja also presented, this is Vertex AI, here on the right, and Looker Business Intelligence for data visualization. And at the bottom, we have infrastructure with large language models. Okay, and this is a high-level overview of the generative AI proposal from Google. Very important part is that our infrastructure, which is here in the bottom, we also prepared especially for AI. This infrastructure, especially tensor processing units, TPU, right now we have just announced availability of the 5th generation, which is 4 times better in performance and cheaper than the previous versions. And we can provide you this infrastructure for any workloads which you would like to start at your company. Level up, we are going to Model Garden. Model Garden is a Google one place where you can search all the models. Currently, we are providing over 100 models. They are models from Google. They are models from our partners, models, open source models, and third-party partners. So this is like kind of repository where you can also tune models. You can prepare the models for your projects there. Level up, we are going to AI platform. So this is Vertex AI, where we have solution AI Studio. There in AI Studio, you can connect models with APIs with your applications. So you are building the whole solution, complete solution. And I believe this darker part here is the most interesting one right now for the business. It's Vertex AI Search and Vertex AI Conversation. These are solutions. So it means that you can prepare generative AI applications in 2 minutes. Really, in 2 minutes, it's the possibility to power your application, your web pages, with generative AI. And on the top, we have industry solutions, Contact Center AI. This is a newest version of the product, which is already like 4 years at the market, where we are supporting call centers with generative AI already. So very shortly, you will be calling to the companies or banks or to the government institutions, and generative AI will be solving your problems. And sometimes you will even not know if it's a real person or AI person. So this is Contact Center. Document AI is a solution with generative AI support for your documents repositories. The whole complete solution, especially good for banks, where you have a lot of documents, and you can digitalize these documents. And using AI power, we are providing you search across the documents and the whole manageability with the documents. And Discovery AI, this is a specific solution for the retail companies and media companies, where retailers got the ready solution to create recommendations for the customers, to create the best products across the customer needs. This is the ready solution for the customers. Very important thing, just shortly, your data is your data. So if you store data in Google Cloud and you are using generative AI and you are creating some outputs, you are the owner and you have the IP rights for this. Doesn't matter that you are using Google models to create the content, to create the answers. It's your, you are the owner of this data until the end. And here is a little technical diagram, but what is important here? Here is a Google model, which is frozen. And we are updating this model like every 2 weeks or every 2 months, depends on the model because there are different models. But what is important, when you are creating your solution, you have your environment where you are adding your layers, we are adding your data, and these models, they are not connected with Google models. So data, you are not sharing data and tuning. If you are tuning your models with your data, this is not going to Google models. This is very important. And just quickly, what we are currently doing with the customers, 3 use cases here. The first one, the most interesting one, is how to support companies which have a lot of data to get answers from this data. So this was always in the mind and #1 topic for Google. How to search across huge amounts of data. And right now we are giving the solutions to the companies. It doesn't matter if you are small or big, you can get this solution very quickly from Google. Online interactions, we are working on this very strongly. So we want to present and deliver it to you a ready solution to create online interactions with generative AI very easily. So the customers across the country, across the region, can get the answers very easily through the chat solutions. And content generation, this is especially important for our Google part connected with ads, where marketers creating new content across different solutions. This is Vertex AI Conversation. So this is one of these solutions which we believe is the most interesting one for the companies. Why? You are choosing the data which you want to work, so data sources. It could be PDF, it could be your web page, it could be your internal company web page with all of the data. It could be your invoices, legal documents. And then just copy the code to your application, and you have a ready chat solution which is looking across all your data. So we are searching across all your data, providing the summary with the answer, and you have a conversation solution. What is important? You can develop this solution using natural language. So you are asking the solution, please ask my customer about what payment method he is preferring. This is how we are starting to program the applications with natural language. And this is not the future. It's already on the market. We announced this around 1 month ago, and you can use this. So you don't need to be a developer to produce amazing solution because you can use your natural language. This is something really hard to imagine that we have this already prepared and you can use this. With the conversation, it's also important that it's not only conversation with generative AI, but you can also connect with the classic conversation dialogue flows in a deterministic way. So we are connecting classic chatbots, which we know from last 5 years, 10 years, with generative AI, and you are controlling this. Yeah? And quite similar solution is Vertex AI Search. You can also connect both these solutions in one solution. Vertex AI Search, we are giving the power of Google Search to the companies. What does it mean? It means that, again, you are choosing the data sources. It could be the same case like earlier. And you are asking across your data any question in natural language. And the Google solution is looking across all your data, also web pages, and providing a summary. So this is a summary with the answer, looking across the whole data. And what is important? Also, we are providing the links for the data sources. So you can check if this data, if this answer is real. So you can check the data source. You can check the document. Generative AI Studio, this is a place where you can build solutions with API, you can tune models. This is a solution for developers. This is a solution for data scientists, where you can build your customized solutions. Not so easy as the two previous ones, but this is full power of Google Data Platform and generative AI models. What models we are currently offering from Google, our own models? Palm. Palm model is for text and for chat, and Palm model is also supporting Google Bard. So at the bottom of Google Bard is also Palm. And in Google Cloud, you can choose different versions of Palm. Yeah? So smaller, bigger, depending on your project, because it could be like for different projects, you will be using different models. There is no one good model for everything. Yes? And image generation. So this is right now second version. We are preparing third generation of this image generation. What is important, you can also tune image generation. What does it mean, tune image generation? It means that you can provide like 10 pictures of your company profile pictures, like with your colors, with your graphics. And then the output, so the images which will be generated, will be according to your company model generation. Yes? Cody is a Google solution for code generation, code completion. It is also supporting Google Duet AI. Chirp is a model for speech-to-text, very popular across the bank. If you want to transcribe the conversation with the customers and working on this transcription, you can check the sentiment of the customer conversations with the call center. This is Chirp, which is supporting right now over 140 languages across the world. And embeddings for generative AI. What is important that when you are providing this kind of solutions, you are controlling also the output with safety filters. So it means that you are deciding how much harmful level of the answer or the solution should be. Because, for example, gaming companies, sometimes they want to be a little more aggressive because they are using this for games for different platforms. Yes? But in some other cases, you can control this and limit this safety filters until the zero. What is important also, because of course we know, everybody knows that models have knowledge across the internet, across different data sources. So when we are providing the answer and the output for the model, each time we are checking if the answer is not using too much from the other public data sources. And if it's using too much, the output is blocked. Yes? So it is recitation checks. Expanded tuning. This is also which we are working right now. This is a new solution. You can tune the models with your data with like 100 samples, which was earlier, beginning this year, was not possible because you needed to provide a lot of samples, a lot of data to tune models. Right now, it is possible to tune models just with 100 samples. This is also amazing. Extensions. This is very new thing. It's in preview. So only few customers, and it's only for testing right now we are providing this. You can connect models with real world, with other applications, with other providers, with public services. So how it will work? you can chat online and ask for booking a ticket. And the model will do all the job for you. You can also ask for services, public services, and book the appointment. So extensions will connect models with other applications and other providers in real time. Grounding. Grounding is also a very important topic because of the hallucinations of the models. And right now we are providing this also in preview for test. You can control the level of hallucinations and you can limit the hallucinations to 0. We have this solution already. So this is very important for the companies who want to provide very concrete, grounded in the current data answers. And this is completely other, I could say, solution. This is a AI assistant, Duet AI. It is AI assistant which is working right now across different Google Cloud solutions. So if you are an engineer, if you are a developer, if you are even business user, you can ask in natural language to Duet AI, what should I do to finish my project? What tools should I use? Or please provide me step-by-step instruction. What should I do in Google Cloud to get this solution ready? And it is supporting different Google solutions. Yeah? So across BigQuery, Looker, data visualizations. For BigQuery, you can provide in natural language queries to produce your code. So right now, working with data, with huge amounts of data, with data warehouse, is very easy. You can ask also data warehouse, please provide me a data visualization for this table, for this column, or for this use case. This is the power of Duet AI, which we are bringing to Google Cloud. This is right now still also in preview. So we are providing this to the customers, but there is a public link available in the internet. You can ask for the preview for the test, and you can get this Duet AI for Google Cloud for free. Right now it's for free until we will announce general availability. And also we have Duet AI for Looker. This is also in preview. So data visualizations and searching across your data, we will be also with natural language. This is also a new solution. And you can just ask, please visualize my sales data from the last quarter in this region for these products. And you will do this in natural language. You don't need to know how to work with data visualizations, BI tools. This is also next year, because right now it is in the test, but next year will be really completely different for the companies. And for us as employees, if you are an employee in the company, it will change your work. Completely will change your work. And just at the end, I would like to, because this was like a top of the iceberg, the whole portfolio and the solutions, generative AI, data analytics from Google Cloud, they are really huge. And there is a lot of very interesting use cases for how to securely use this. And there is a Google Cloud Skills Boost, where we have courses, no-cost courses, completely for free. You can go there without any cost and go to the courses for the business, which are very easy. You can be from marketing, you can be from sales, from finance, and you can do these courses just to better understand and prepare yourself for this big change, which is coming very fast. And on the right, we have also courses, 9 courses, no-cost courses for developers. These are technical courses, very specific. And we have also free laboratories. It means that you are getting Google Cloud environment, and you have step-by-step instructions how to build some solutions. Yeah? And this is completely for free, and you can reach this already from your mobile phone, from your laptop. And why we are strong with this stuff? Why? Of course, we have this long story with data, but very important is that Google was building the Google Cloud, and in our mind was to support open source developers' environments and to provide them unified platform to connect all the solutions in one place. So in one place, natively, we connected all the data types, all the data formats. You can do this at Google. And this in the middle, you can run your data and you can work with your data, no matter if they are in Google Cloud, on-prem, or AWS, or other the cloud providers. And we build this platform specifically for generative AI, providing the whole portfolio of the solutions. So you don't need to work with different solutions and connect them. And at the end, thank you very much. It was a pleasure. If you will have any questions, just reach me. Thank you.